Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can make an image sticky in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in, and after that let me go to pages, and here you can see I have few pages. Let's enable Divi Builder. And after that let me select a pre-made layout. Then I want to use this layout. And here you can see layout is importing. Now scroll down, and so let's make this image sticky. Go to settings, then advanced, scroll down, and here you can find scroll effects. Then by default selected sticky position, don't stick, and here enable stick to top. Then click here yes. After that save. Now let's open this page, and after that scroll down. Here you can see images stick on the top area of page. In this way you can make any item on the page